Good morning, guys. It's Gina. I'm back. It's Vlogmas Day 5. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We're growing. We have 381 subscribers. That's freaking awesome. I never thought this would actually happen, so I'm really happy. Thank you, guys. I love talking to you guys in the comments. It's a lot of fun, and I love growing my family. It's so sick. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell, because if you don't, you will not be notified if I post a new video, because that's what YouTube likes to do, because I know that because of my other YouTubers I watch. Today we have school, gym, and then nothing for a little bit. And then we're going to the mall to take pictures of Santa with all my little cousins, because it's a tradition we do now. I don't know if I'm going to vlog that, because I'm going to try to get this video up before I go. I also want to clarify something about my age. Everyone says I look like I'm a teenager, because probably because I don't wear any makeup. I also look very young, but I am 20. So there's that. So I'll probably vlog when I get to school real quick, and I'll see you guys when I get to school. Alright, so we are at school. Got a half-drink water bottle and my tea. Don't have a granola bar this time because I should be fine. Let's see, we have muscular... I can't really talk today that well because I just put in new trays for my Invisalign, because I have a tooth here and down here that I would like to get fixed, and I didn't want to do regular braces, so I did Invisalign. So if you hear me sound weird, that's because I have Invisalign and some of my words are very slurred. Don't know how I got good parking today. Like, I got right outside the building that I normally am in, which is amazing, because usually Wednesdays you don't, because there's so many meetings here. It's ridiculous. Let's see, we have musculoskeletal anatomy of the upper extremity. Fun. We have a take-home quiz today to do, so that's not going to be too hard because I can use my notes. Then we have physiology of exercise, which is actually very interesting. Like, I love it because it's what my major is. My major is exercise science with physiology. I love it. I want to be a cardiac rehabilitation therapist. So, we're just chilling here till I got to go in. I get here pretty early just in case for traffic, because why not? Well, better be early than late. That's how I think of it as. Trying to think. I get my hair done on the 21st. Super excited about that. These roots need to go. Wait until you see me with my roots gone. I'm like a very, very, I'm very platinum. Let's put it that way. That's all I can really think of right now. I'm just gonna relax. Guys, when I checked this morning, we were at 381 subscribers. We're at 394 subscribers right now. Like, what is happening? I'm so excited. I'm getting stared at. Don't care. I love you guys. Like, this is why I do it. I love talking to you guys. I just love showing you, like, what I do during the day, like, for Vlogmas, and, like, my makeup, and I don't really care about other people's opinions anymore. Like, I started to the minute my Jeffree Star video took off, but now I'm like, whatever. Like, people are gonna hate, people are gonna love it. Like, who cares? So that's my mindset on it now. So I'm just, like, going along for the ride. And I hope you guys enjoy it with me, and I hope more people join, because I love talking to little fam. I will see you guys when I get home from school, because I'm going to be too busy taking quizzes and doing homework and stuff to record, so. Hey guys, we're back from school. We're just putting pillows on the bed. We're going to go do our advent calendar, because I didn't do yesterday, so we'll have 2 advent calendar showings today. So, put my pillows on, let's go look. Alright, so I need to find day 4, so day 4 is here, and then 5 is right here, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we're opening up day 4. This is a Sephora Color Hit. I think it's a nail polish. So there's that, and then going over here to day 5, which is today. And we got a Sephora lip liner in the shade doesn't say, but it's in red, I think. Yeah, in red, which that's pretty cool. I think this is the one thing I like so far from it. So I figured for today we would but like for this I would show you guys like my whole Jeffree Star collection, because I think because how excited I was in his in my unboxing video, you guys would understand like how much I love him and support him, other than like me freaking out in that video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I have. I'm gonna start with lip scrubs, which those I have to grab because they're over here. I'm gonna move things I have, and I'm including what I got in his mystery bundle, except for the ones that I had doubles of, because I already have them in my collection and they're just in the box for ready for when I run out. I have 8 of his lip scrubs. I have 2 from the 2016 or 2017 summer collection. This is the Velour lip scrub. I almost said liquid lip. This is in the blue raspberry sucker, and then I also have it in watermelon gum. These, I'm telling you, they smell so good, and they taste pretty amazing. The other thing is that like these don't just have to be on your lips. You can, like he said that you can use them on your face, and I've tried them and they get rid of dry patches. I wouldn't like douse yourself in it, but like put a little bit on it. But this saves your lips so much. I put this on before I am going to apply liquid lipstick on, and it goes on so smooth, doesn't like dry out or act crazy. Next thing I have from the lip scrub is from the holiday collection from last year. And this is in Marshmallow. But like look at his packaging, like with the pink glitter. This one's really nice. And then from the Blood Sugar collection, which I'm just gonna say was from not Halloween, from Valentine's Day, because that's when it came out, was around that time. So I have the chocolate covered strawberry, cherry soda, and candy necklace. So I have these 3 chocolate covered strawberry, like all their names that they say they smell and taste exactly alike, which blows my mind and is crazy. Then lastly, I have the ones from this summer's collection, from the Thirsty collection. And this is in grape soda, which I just got in my mystery box. And then I had pink lemonade, which is what I bought originally. And this is the one that I bought the most because I love pink lemonade, but sometimes you can, I'm gonna try to find the one that you can literally shake out of its thing. I think it's candy necklace. See? It can come out, which I just think it's funny. But the one time I noticed it, and I was like, well, damn. They just came out, and I can't get the lids on. But those are his lip scrubs. I love them. If you're thinking about getting one, I would recommend it. They help with my lips, and my lips are so dry, especially, let me get that on, especially even more dry now since I have Invisalign. So like, they're just constantly dry because they're not getting any moisture at all. So now we're gonna move on to lipsticks, and let me just show you what I got. These are these containers. This one's filled all the way to the top, as you can see, and this one is just now being filled. I have minis from his, like these ones. I have these minis. These are from the volume 2 of the reds, or the volume 1 of the reds. I have the nudes in minis from, this one is a red, my bad, from his volume 1 of the nudes. I I then have all of the ones that are from the Equality one. And by all of them, I mean all 8 of them. They're all right here. They're all super colorful. I'm doing a horrible job showing this. Like, they're all colorful. It's my left hand. They're all for the colors of the rainbow, and then a couple more nudes in here as well. So I have those. I also have, this is the I'm Royalty. Got it as my free liquid lipstick. Sweet, awesome. The whole Alien collection, as you guys saw in my first Vlogmas video. I then have on this whole top row right here, as you can see, it's the sparkly package. That's all from last winter's holiday collection. All of those, and right here. I also have all of these you can see right here with the baby pink. That's all from the family collection. Then I have ones from the summer collection. I'll read you the ones I have in the summer collection. Those are Soft Serve, Cherry, Wet, and Thirst Trap. These are the ones I have from there. And then I have one lip ammo, which is from the holiday collection last year, and this is in Champagne Tears. It looks like this is supposed to be a lip topper, which I'm completely fine with. And then I have one from his first Christmas. This is a Sagittarius. And then I have the Manny collab. I had these way before any of that crap happened. Manny collab. And then these ones are just his other nudes that I have. And I'll read you their names. Gemini, Mannequin, Scorpio, Androgyny, and Celebrity Skin. I have all of those. So those are all my liquid lipsticks from him. Then let's move on to highlighters. This is my first Supreme Frost. I plan on Friday, I will be getting that Supreme Frost Pro Palette. I think it's amazing. Those colors are amazing. The only color that I'm iffy about is the blue, but I will wear that on my eyelids. It will not be on my face as the highlighter because that's just how it's gonna be. This is a Supreme Frost in Frozen Peach. Y'all saw that. And then these are the 2 that I just got in my mystery box, the Mint Condition and King Tut. I also have 2 from the Jeffree and Manny collab, Eclipse, which I will show you. Looks like this. She's been used and abused. Then I got Uranus. She's not been as abused as much, but she's there. And then I have Princess Cut. That's what this looks like. And these are his Skin Frosts. I don't know if I mentioned that. Then I have Nathan, and this is from the family collection. It is a nice purple. Love it. Then I have Ice Cold, which someone told me and I was talking to them on Instagram. The Ice Cold sold out here. I didn't even realize that, if it is. And she can get it at the UK, like not at the UK, but she buys it off a UK website called Beauty Bay. So if you want it, I would suggest doing that, but see if it's in stock online. But this is Ice Cold. This is like one of his very first highlighters. And I have a lot of highlighters in my collection. You'll see when I show you my makeup tutorial, my makeup collection. So like none of these are like hitting pan or anything because I have an abundance of highlighters because that's my favorite thing to apply in makeup. This is Peach Goddess. And then I have 2 from the summer collection of 2017. This is in Summer Snow Cone. Love the packaging, it's chrome. And then this is Crystal Ball, which is a white. And this is different than Ice Cold, just for your reference. And then I have his 2 Skin Frost Pro palettes. I have Platinum Ice and the 24 karat. This is what the Platinum Ice comes with. They're all very pretty. I love all of them. The only one that I don't really use as much on the face directly is the green, but I used it on my eyes for St. Patrick's Day for St. Patrick's Day. And then this is what 24 karat looks like. These are worth their like money because usually he has it priced a little bit more than what one highlighter would be, which is honestly amazing. Now we're gonna move on to the last thing that I have of his. Like, I'm not, other than like my, like 2 things of merch I have from him that I just got, and the pop socket, are his palettes. Here's the Alien Collection palette. If you want to see a look I did with this, go on my Instagram. I'll have it popped up right here. Go on my Instagram, check out that look. I post makeup pictures there. And I'll do more tutorials once like we kind of get done with Vlogmas. We'll go into tutorials and just more fun things. And if you don't know what Alien looks like, the Alien palette, this is what this looks like. Which I love it. I love the pops of color, which I'm not afraid to use anymore. And then I have the Thirsty palette. This is what this looks like. The only thing about the Thirsty palette that I was not a fan of is that you really, for me at least, I don't know what it was. I was using it wrong at first because I have a video using it. But like these bright colors, you really have to like apply a lot on, which is, this is my first palette I got with colors on it. So I didn't know you had to do that. And let me go let my dog out. And then I have the Blood Sugar palette, and let me tell you about this palette. I had the pre-order one from when he first launched it because I didn't miss the launch, but like I had it in my cart and then it already sold out because he usually allows you, I'm gonna let you in on a secret, okay? He lets everything go live like 3 minutes before the launch actually happens. So if you really wanna get stuff from him, be on that website early. And you open it. This is what Blood Sugar looks like. She's gorgeous, beautiful. Love that it's got a mirror. That's what I love about Blood Sugar, Thirsty, and Alien, is that they have decent size mirrors. Like some palettes I have, like that's a pretty decent size for the shape. Some palettes I have, like their mirrors are non-existent or tiny as hell, and I'm like, how am I supposed to do a look with that, even though I use this mirror mostly? But sometimes, like if you're on the go, you want to use a mirror that's in your palette because you don't have a mirror that's like this up close to you. You know what I mean? That's my Jeffree Star collection. I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what I all had from him because I have a lot of crap from him and I love him and I love his makeup and it's all beautiful. I will show you what my little makeup stand looks like with it. So we got the palettes, the 24 karat, the Pro palettes, highlighters, stack of highlighters, cream frost. Then we got the lipsticks and the lip scrubs. Yeah, that's, this camera's tilted. It's, oh shoot. I'm on some, we're good. Okay. I don't know what's going on. There we go. So those are it's my Jeffree Star collection. I plan on getting the Supreme Frost palette. And I don't know if I'm going to be getting the the minis. Volume 2 of the nudes because I think I have every nude that's on there but the 2 new ones. So I don't know if it'd be worth it to get all those plus the new ones because the other ones had maybe 1 or 2 that I didn't have, that I already had, so I gave to my friend. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. Me popping in for like 2.5 seconds, I'm an idiot and forgot that I have unicorn blood and a lip ammo. Completely forgot. So here it is, okay? See you guys whenever I come back. I'm back. So my camera is not letting me upload my last clip. So that was just my outro. I have a lot to do before I go to take pictures of Santa, and I want to try to get this video up for you guys today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a great day. So tomorrow is Vlogmas Day 6, and I can't wait to show you guys what we're going to do tomorrow. Bye, guys.